Hello, everyone. Very often, I've been asked by AS Sociology students if they can skip research methodology while preparing for paper one for the AS Sociology examination. The answer to that is no. No, you cannot miss on research methodology. Now, I just show you a question paper from our past papers through which I try to explain you why I'm saying what I'm saying. Now, as you all would be aware, your paper structure for paper one and paper two, they're exactly the same, right? Now, your paper is divided into two sections. You have section A and section B, respectively, where section A does not give you any choice when it says answer all questions in the section. However, you do get a choice in section B, where you have two questions of 26 marks each, and you are given an option of attempting any one question out of two, right? Now, since our paper structure and our syllabus partially too changed in May-June 2021, from May-June 2021 onwards, you'd note that in your paper, you note that in your papers, you've always had question number two from research methodology. Just open your past papers, have a closer look, and you'd see your question number two is always on research methodology. Remember, you do not get any choice in section A, right? If you are not preparing yourself for research methods, you are automatically losing on 14 marks, right? So question number two is of 14 marks divided into two different two parts. That is two questions of 8 marks and 6 marks each. And if you're not preparing yourself for research methodology, minimum, you are losing 14 marks. That makes it 23%. Yeah, 23% marks. 14 marks out of 60 makes it 23% marks, which you wouldn't want to lose. One. Number two, if you have a closer look at your paper again, and from section B, you'd see that you've had question number 4 from research methodology. Sorry, question number 5. Question number 5 from research methodology. The question that we have over here reads, evaluate the view that the main influence of choice of research methods is the theoretical perspective of the sociologist. This question is again from research methodology. If you are not preparing yourself for research methodology, you would not have an option of attempting question number 5. That, in other words, means you have to attempt question number 4. And the choice that the CI is providing you in your paper, you would not have it anymore. One more thing that I'd like to add, in some instances, we've also had question number 1 on research methodology. This paper that you see in front of you, question number 1, is also from research methodology. Let's put these numbers together. If you are not able to attempt question number 1, which again section is from section A, which does not give you any choice, you're losing on 4 marks, right? Question number 2 is of 14 marks. That means from section A, you are losing 18 marks, right? You're losing 18 marks out of 34, which you wouldn't want. Additionally, the 26 marks that we have from section B, the 26-mark question, you have no option of attempting that too. So there is a possibility that you might end up losing, or risking rather say, 73% marks if you are not attempting, or if you're not preparing yourself for research methodology. Minimum, you'd be losing 23% marks, because question number 2 is of 14 marks, and 14 marks out of 60 makes it 23%. Now, I hope you take this seriously and do not underestimate the importance and significance of research methodology. Preparing for research methodology is not difficult. A lot of content that you'd read, you'd be able to understand it. Additionally, there's this another misconception that many students carry as well. There are many students who think if they know the distinction between quantitative and qualitative research methods, let's just say for the distinction between quantitative and qualitative research methods, they feel like they'd be able to attempt a 26-mark question on it as well. Trust me, it doesn't work like that. You want to give it a shot before the paper, do so. To be able to attempt questions in AS Sociology, or for the matter of fact, Tier 2 Sociology, you need to learn what the requirements of the CAI are, what the marking criteria is that the CI uses to mark you. Now, wishing you all the best. I hope it's clear that not preparing yourself for research methodology should not be seen as an option. Thank you.